Guys. Someone just called us last night. They said, I saw a beautiful house. ARV is worth over $500,000, but I don't know what to do. Can you help me? Guys, welcome to Niche Wholesaling. I'm your host, Acquisitions Lou. Joel's in the building. It's story time. We're talking about JVing. Let's get to it.
Guys, all right, so today we're going to talk about our JV program. You know, we're evolving, we're growing it, right? So we're trying to make things easier for you. So we come up with an idea. What if you don't know acquisitions, you don't know dispositions, you're new to wholesaling, you're even still trying to learn the seller script, you're still trying to learn how to talk to sellers. All you need to do for a fire damage property is get the seller interested. So you call and say you're a local investor and you just want to know if they would like a cash offer on their fire damage property, okay? You might call 100 people, they'll all say no, and then one says yes. That one person that says yes, you may not know what to say, how to evaluate the deal, how to underwrite the deal. You don't know what to do. Tell them, okay, can we get on a call with my partners later today? And we'll get on a call with you. Lou will take over acquisitions. We'll CC you on any emails, contracts, so you can learn the process, right? This is way better than a course. You're not spending $5K. You're not spending money on a program, okay? All you're doing is spending some time to make your first cash in wholesaling real estate. And we'll take over the process. We'll do the acquisitions, we'll do the transaction coordination, and we'll do the dispositions. And then you guys will be brought along the journey and you will learn everything. Any questions you want to ask, we're right there. You're CC'd on the emails. You'll meet the title companies we work with. You'll meet the buyer. You'll learn our process. So what we'll do is we take 60%, we give you 40%. And that's way better than a bird dog fee of $1,000 and the investor goes and makes a ton of money. Not knocking any investor that goes and makes a ton of money, but in our effort to get back to you to make this a mutually beneficial relationship, that's our program, 60/40. All you do, find an interested seller that wants to sell their fire damage property, and then we can make some money and win together.
If you watch our shorts, guys, you know, just last week, we closed a deal with a JV partner that made over $10,000 in 1 month. Come on, guys. Come on.
All right, guys, one thing to note, in our effort to make this so easy for you and just be different in this space, in our Facebook group, Niche Wholesaling, we skip trace the fire damage list and give it to you guys free. All you got to do is call. All you got to do is find an interested homeowner. You don't know what to say, we'll take over 60/40. If you know what to say, you can lock it up 50/50. Let's JV. Let's win together.
Wait, how much does the list cost?
$0.
It's free.
It doesn't get any easier. Signing out.
Peace.
Peace.